told y'all could come along. Did you tell them they could come?
No. Secret project.
Well, I guess since you're here, if you've seen the Buffalo Valley video a couple weeks ago, bump. You obviously know we're cruising down I-40, heading to the wonderful Nashville. Pull apart. I bet to open this video, man, I hate coming down the mountain. My ears got all stopped up. We're heading to Pull Apart. Me and Hunter are going to finish what me and Stacy started last week. And that was pulling steer knuckles for a 5-lug swap on a certain Foxbody that we are working on. That is getting well, you know it's getting coyote swapped. You know that. All thing I can say is we're about to drop about 75 to 100 pounds off the front end. I'll just leave it at that, because we'll probably reveal this in this video, but we're definitely 5-lug swapping this car, and we're going to 5-lug swap it the cheesy, cheap way. If you didn't know, alright, camera, you're too damn big. The SN95s are actually on the Foxbody chassis, so we can use a lot of the Foxbody, or the SN95 stuff on the Foxbody. So we're going to use a GT rear end, re-gear it. We'll probably re-gear it to 373 or 355 rear gear. Oh, check out the old Buick.
Electro.
And of course, we'll be using an SN95 rear end. The only difference is it's an inch wider than a Foxbody, where the body is bigger. Using steer knuckles off of SN95 for the front 5-lug swap. Those are got to go into the sandblaster as soon as we get home. Sandblast them, get them prepped for paint. Don't know how I'm going to paint them yet, but they will get a treatment of high heat clear. That way they never fade or, you know, lose color. Kind of thinking of doing it like the other parts that are going on. I mean, it'd probably look a little bit different, but anyway, we're going to hit a Pull Apart real quick. I don't know if we'll film there or not. I don't know how steady of a hand Mr. Hunter has, but we've got the steer knuckles tore apart. I just didn't take anything to pop the lower ball joint out to get them off. So that's what we're doing today. Like I said, me and Stacy went last week, but I failed to record because I was a slacker. I've been doing that a lot here lately. So let's get into the video. I'll probably get him to record a little bit while we're there. And hopefully we can get the steer knuckles that I've got 98% pulled apart. Hopefully nobody else has got the same idea I did. We'll see you guys in, what, about an hour? But for you, it's just like... Alright guys, here we are. Good old Pull Apart. We have actually already went in and got both the steer knuckles. Very successful. Yeah. Very successful evening. Hunter's still shy behind the camera. The camera. Yeah, a little bit. So to the guys that we just met that subbed, thank you, by the way. That was freaking amazing. I love getting to meet new people and push the channel as much as we can and keep growing it. So now we gotta rush home. We've got some work to do tonight for KP, friend of ours. We've done some work to her Sentra when she had it. Might film that too, just for extra footage, get some more videos out. Why not? You know, what the hell? So we're gonna run and do that. copyright. But we'll catch back up with you guys when I start sandblasting those, getting those ready for paint. And man, I told you not to hit me in the face like that, bro. Look, you done bruised me up and shit.
Back talking. You're back talking.
Stacy probably would have been like, "Thank you for doing that." So,
yeah.
All right, we'll be back. Working on these steering knuckles, man, getting them ready for some paint. Okay, so it's 3 hours later, because we left here at 1:30. It's what time?
5:45.
So from 1:30 to 5:45, we're now back home. Look at this.
Beautiful. Dream garage.
That is a dream garage. But you know what make that dream garage even better? A blue Foxbody sitting beside a Cliffy.
Yep.
Not Ruby.
Yeah, move mine out of the way.
Yeah, move Ruby out, which, guys, if you don't know, Ruby is the one on the left here. Cliffy is the one on the right. 19, 20. That was actually our numbers last night, 19 and 20. So we're going to get these tools out, steering knuckles. Go let Miss Daisy out and the other pups. Start sandblasting those because we got 300 working on here in a little bit. So I'm gonna let you carry the tools this time. I'll carry the steering knuckles because they're a little heavy. Not that he can't carry them. It's just somebody didn't bring a belt. And then we'll get working on the Fox body. Get working on the Fox again. And keep this going, man. Like, it's about time to get Mama's car done, get it running, and that way she can start enjoying some of these pits and Mustang weeks and all that other good jazz. So we'll catch you in the shop here in just a minute. Alright, down here in the shop, using the Mustang as a workbench today. Mainly because I may have really screwed up with this lens. It is a little too wide. But we got dust caps off. We're going to pop in, or pull these nuts off. Get these hub assemblies off of here. I did notice these are pop riveted in, so we're going to have to drill those out. Because I want to get these brake dust shields off. We're not going to need them. And then get these steer knuckles into the sandblaster. Get them sandblasted, cleaned up so we can paint them. And get them ready for Papa Smurf here. Alright guys, so Somebody is making noise while I try to end this video. Let me see who it is. Miss Foxbody herself. So yes, I screwed up. I somehow turned the mic off when I was doing some changing to the camera, trying to get a different view. So hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you look, and then the brat's in there too. And then here's KP walking in the door.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Are y'all filming?
Yes, we are filming.
Hi.
So we hope you enjoyed this episode of Foxbody Friday. Yeah.
Sorry, I was distracted.
Next week's video, we are going to be tearing into the car finally. We got a lot of work to do.
I know.
A lot. So we'll see you guys next time. We love you as always. And remember,
Dream big.
Why do you always think you can say that?
Because I can.
Oh well. See you guys.